I'll be honest, this is...
The horse may freak out when you're going by and kick your truck or anything.
Or jump inside this Saturn that's towing it.
Next door.
Look at that thing hiding out there. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just wheeling and dealing on these project trucks. I got so many of them in the shop, and we're going to do something that I haven't done in a long time, and that is film something and actually post the footage within 24 to 48 hours of the initial filming. I've been trying for the longest time to make, featured videos with months of footage tied up into one, and I don't know if that's honestly helped the channel out or not, but I was trying to go out on a new limb. Let's see. Maybe you guys help me out on this one and hit the like button, get a little bit of YouTube momentum going. I'd really appreciate that. But I'm not just trying to be a truck hoarder. I'm seeing opportunity in some of these deals out there. And I've hunted and hunted for months trying to find, certain transmission, certain this, certain one, differential, and never find it. But I've honestly found better deals on whole complete trucks from word of mouth. And so that's what this is. We're going to go check it out. It's rumored to be a parts truck, but we won't know until we get there. But I would say it's on the greater end of a holy grail kind of a truck, loosely. But it's a rare-ish truck. Let's go get it. Mark, go ahead and tell them where we're going since you can talk.
We're going south.
We are. Damn, you're good. we are headed south until we go north for a second. Got a call, or actually got an email on the V-Belt email saying, a guy named Dan has got a friend that has an 02 6-speed truck. It's been parked up for, rumor has it, 5, maybe 6 years, and it's up for grabs. Now we got, for one, the engine's got blow by. It was parked for that reason, and it's got a 6-speed, but it's also got another negative on it. It was never non-opt, so it's got basically bad engine and bad title because there's so much back fees on it. So you're forced with going out of state with it or paying a bunch of back fees. So we're gonna go down here and check this thing out, see how beat up it is, how bad a shape. Maybe we'll make a deal on it, maybe not. But it sounded like a truck worth going looking at. 02 4-wheel drive, 6-speed dually, the high output. You don't see those too often, so it's worth a gander. The owner did say it's a parts truck, so scared. Parts truck usually not the most valuable, but we'll find out shortly. Let's go. We're headed south still. Yeah, he said power steering's out, engine's out. The paint's even off the intercooler. Look at that. Super starts. Man, she has been parked up for quite a while. Let's investigate. But
There's a door someplace.
Is there an exhaust brake on it? Yep. Oh, we got the batteries disconnected. 311,000. Get the old Craig and VP to fire off, huh? Wow. Bus light coming on, or there is no bus light, which is nice. Not a fog truck. It doesn't have heated mirrors, but probably factory manual tows. 4-wheel drive indicator works. It's actually not a terrible truck. That's pretty obvious. So if it's got high blow by, it'll be popping out the breathers on the bottom. These 24 valves, they don't want to smog them because they got a hurt engine. I've seen this before and it wasn't actually hurt, and they failed the smog. It's the vacuum. Let's see if it works. You can hear it slapping a little bit. Man, 311,000 on it. The other end. Looks like she had one of those little dummy lights for the lift pump. Low on wash, ABS light still kicking. Man, it freaking fired it up good. I thought we might get another lucky break with the vacuum being loose like that, but I don't know. But here we go. Look at is this a snap-on freaking shifter? 5600 feels pretty good. Yeah, that's the whole value of this truck is right here in this now. The snap-on wrench. No. And the fuel tank is full. And the seat's not even got a hoopty to it. What is this? Fuel neck. Power steering pump. The other one's shot. I got no brake. Oh, no steering. No steering at all. It's a Cummins. Yep. Lock seems all right. Now that goes with it. Big dog. Came with a lunch. Both cables. It's supposed to be down. Well, our fears are answered. It does actually have blow-by, so we have a hurt engine. That is a big bummer. Like I was trying to say when the engine was running, probably didn't hear me, but the vacuum pump is just sucking atmosphere. It's not actually pulling a vacuum and holding it. It's just pulling in air, which goes into the crankcase and then registers as blow-by. And take a look at that there. We're about to lose that radiator hose. That thing is, she's about to leave the scene. But it looks like we got a Banks kit on it. Maybe an aftermarket turbo, a couple other things. But it is an 02. Does have the rear disc brakes, and it's got the manual computer. You guys shut it off. Through a rod. No. Shut up.
Is it in gear?
Probably.
Yeah, it don't matter. I'll just
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a pretty good little forklift. Oh, we got a Elvis factory drive shaft. What do you think, Mark?
The truck.
It is a truck. Been off the road for 7 years. Dan, if you're watching this, I appreciate the lead on this truck. Thank you very much, brother. We are out of here. Well, do you consider that truck a victory truck?
I don't know.
If it was an automatic, I wouldn't have walked away with it at that price. I'm pretty confident. But it's a stick shift, so.
Well, when you say it turns bad, the transmission pay for it.
Yeah, the transmission's making money, pull it out and sell it. But anyway, nevertheless, we drove out of our way about 20 minutes so that we could have cheeseburger. So it's a victory. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think, I didn't know they opened a Hampton right there. That was a parking lot last time I was through here. Anyway, today was a successful day. Is that a cat? Is he running off? There's too many distractions around here. Perfect weather. We're gonna get on out of here. I've been up since 5. Skipped breakfast, didn't eat till lunch. Come down and do this. It's pushing 10 or something now. Got early morning haul equipment tomorrow, and then today's Wednesday, I think. Yeah, and then Friday, got a 4 a.m. wake up call. Meet my buddy Casey. We're going to Winnemucca to meet David. We got a lot going on, but can't pass up a deal when they're offered. Let me know what you guys think about the truck. It does have a clean title. It's got back fees. It's got an out engine. Is it worth saving? Possibly. Or does this one need to be parted out and make a couple other sick trucks more badass? Let me know. Comment below. We'll see you guys in the next one. If you made it this far in the video, say thanks for going with Sam, Mark. Appreciate it.